Good evening, all. Yesterday we are discussing about indeficiency, true heat and empty heat. We'll continue that. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the chat box related to pulse diagnosis and pattern analysis. Next week I will come back with color therapy class, continued one. Today I am not explaining any diseases here. So we are discussing about the pulse pattern and how to analyze. And with respect to that, so how to take a decision to treat. Okay. So let's see. So we discussed about let me draw two pulses. One is fire. The another one is we are discussed about water. Yes, you can treat fire and water. So your water is a lower pulse, or we can say it is a deep pulse. And it is a low pulse, we can say. This low pulse, it's normally happens with so this is a fire. Okay, yesterday we discussed about it. So today also, Nagendra, I am telling the same way. So here we are discussing it the two perspective. So one is true heat, another one is empty heat. So this is the pattern which is related to empty heat. In that empty heat, again we are going with 3 to 4 different patterns. So empty heat, it happens in the heart, the liver, and as well as in the kidney. So here, how to diagnose whether the empty heat is affected liver meridian or heart meridian or kidney meridian. So here we are taking the help of the Nadiswara. If your Nadiswara is more than your water element, it is like this. So normally we are taking the first highest is meridian and the second highest is energy, and it may interchange also depending upon the patient's symptoms. You have to ask the question whether it is related to it is a heart insufficiency or kidney insufficiency. The one way you can clarify with this is through questions. For example, if you find in the empty heat, if you find a palpitation, anxiety, and chest tightness, we can consider as a insufficiency. So when there is a heart palpitation, anxiety, and heart insufficiency or mind restlessness, you can relate it to heart insufficiency. You can ask a question which is related to liver empty heat, like a giddiness. They may have some eye burning sensation, and they may have some excess of heat in the middle warmer and excessive airfall. So all these things you can correlate it to the liver insufficiency. If you have a fire and water, so sometimes fire will be more or sometimes water will be more. So normally in general situation, we take first is a meridian and second one is a energy. So sometimes we interchange, second is meridian, first is this one. It depending upon the situation and symptom of the patient. For example, if the patient tells about the low back weakness, soreness, so there is a kidney insufficiency. So that time, it may be water is more and fire is less. Normal pattern we will get. It is called kidney heat. The first highest, which is more intensive, you can consider as a kidney meridian, then it will be a kidney heat. Sometimes water will be little less, both are equal sometime. Like this, it will be little more than 0.15, the range we consider. So that time, if the patient complains about kidney insufficiency symptoms, mind restlessness and dream disturbed sleep and low back pain and sciatica related issues and gynecological related issues, so that time you can consider as a kidney heat. Okay, rarely we consider the first one is heart and second one will become cold. It will become heart coldness. So this possibility is also there. So who is having the heart weakness and who is having enlargement of the heart muscles and all. So that also is seen in our research. But before that, to consider which is meridian and which is energy, you can ask few questions which is related to those meridians. Is it clear? Clear? Pulse rate will be same in the both the ends. Okay, it's not an issue. So the empty heat, normally it will be related to kidney, liver, and heart. So that can be treated with the heat cold or cold heat. It's directly telling you it's an empty heat, indeficiency. To find out whether it is in the heart meridian or liver meridian or kidney meridian, you can have few questions. Okay. Yes, Srinivas, you can unmute and ask the question.
Sir, there are 12 meridians.
Yes.
But they say totally they are 22.
Yes.
49, but what about the 8?
8 extraordinary vessels. So EOE. Okay. That you can use if you know about those EOUs like K6 and LU7, SI3, GB41 and SP4, P6 and UV62. So these 8 is the extraordinary vessels that you can use depending upon your learning and experience with those 8 points. So for that, no need to consider pulse. Pulse will give you an idea. So whether it's patient belongs to the yin and yang, excess or deficient, or which meridian, and all those patterns it will give. You can take input of the pulse and you can treat. Clear? So how to differentiate energy disharmony from meridian involvement? So purely you can differentiate with the patient symptoms. Okay. If patient is not developing any symptoms, that means the evil chi is lesser than the genuine chi. Okay. Whatever may be the pattern, the patient not experiencing any symptoms, if he is not suffering, that means, okay, there's a lot of patterns, is energies variation is there in the body, but that is not affecting his body. Why and how? So this TCM theory tells, so genuine chi, which is happened with your food, air chi and kidney essence, all three together, it forms a true chi. So that is called genuine chi. If the genuine chi is very high, your immunity, your strength, stability, muscular and bones, everything will be supreme. Whatever may be the correlation, empty heat variation, and maybe a humidity variation, too much of dryness, the food and environment, it doesn't affect the patient. He won't experience the symptoms. Okay, you can only differentiate the energy of the meridians disharmony through correlation of pulse and tongue with respect to symptoms. Even though patient is having tongue variation as well as pulse variation, the patient is not experiencing any symptoms, so it means his genuine chi is more than evil chi. So that is the importance we are giving to the even symptoms also. So that is what your pulse, tongue and symptoms all having equal priority in the diagnosis. You cannot treat somebody he is not at all experiencing any symptoms, even though any pattern of the pulse or any variation in the tongue or any type of the coating. Is it clear, Mohammed? So fine. So we are considering the fire and water. So maybe a fire is less, water is more, or water is less, fire is more. Both belongs to the empty heat. both belongs to the empty heat. Whether that empty heat is affecting your heart meridian or liver meridian or kidney meridian, that can be differentiated through symptoms of the patients, and as well as you can ask few questions with respect to the patient. Yeah, why not? You can treat based on the symptoms, but sometimes many different meridians shows similar symptoms. Let's take low back pain. Low back pain, it also happens with the liver coldness and kidney yang deficiency. It also happens with indeficiency or empty heat. So that time, so you can cross-check your symptoms with the patient questions and as well as the pulse and tongue. You can ask the question when you are getting more back pain, when you are sitting long term, or when you're doing working, or when you're lifting something. Okay. So like that, you can have some questions based upon yin and yang principle, based upon 5-element principle, and you can decide. Questions, symptoms, pulse, tongue. So for the right diagnosis, we should give importance to all. Clear? Sometimes first will be energy and second will be this one. So that you should check it out. Any questions which is related to empty heat, which is related to fire water or water fire? The pain after momentum means it's a yang. So it is due to empty heat. Pain if you are getting with long-term sitting, that is a yin is developing with long-time sitting. That will be a yang deficiency. It may be a kidney yang deficiency or liver coldness or spleen yang deficiency. I think it's clear for you. So you can check a few questions related to, you can ask like palpitation, which is related to heart insufficiency and giddiness. And low back soreness, which is related to kidney. Clear? So ovulation and back pain, which is related to kidney insufficiency. Clear? Any questions? Yes, madam. You can ask Rukmini.
Yeah, sir. When there is empty heat and we try to increase the in, then does the true heat also get down, or true heat stays there and only the empty heat gets healed?
See, when there is empty heat means that definitely in is very low.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can go with the two perspective by reducing yang, the excess energy through yang meridians, you can raise the yin energy.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Or directly you can rise, you can tonify the yin meridian itself.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So when we tonify the yin meridian, the true heat doesn't get affected. No, whatever little true heat is there, that doesn't get damaged. No,
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Okay.
So the same case happens with the yin deficiency also. So when there is yin deficiency in the body, we try to increase yang, then the whatever yin is there, it doesn't get consumed, no, sir?
When you're tonifying yin energy or?
Yeah, see, if there is yin deficiency, so we increase yin through activity. Like
yes.
we get true heat, we increase yin, we take right foods, and we also do activity. Right. Then the true, the essence doesn't get reduced, no, with that.
No, it will increase.
Okay. It doesn't get consumed.
No. There is a principle saying that yin and yang is mutually dependent.
Okay.
So if one increases, other will rise up.
Okay. They support each other. Fine, sir. Thank you.
So regarding a few of your questions about the second element and primary element. So I shared in the chat box. Please check the chat box once again. Okay.
Good evening, sir. This is Gopi Krishnan.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Sir, last 5 days, I was having a throat inflammation, and I was taking some antibiotics, and suddenly I stopped. And yesterday, I checked with Nadiswara. The pattern it was showing was same. Red was at the topmost, number 1, and somewhat lesser than that was the water one. And the throat was having a lot of, I cannot tell, it was a lot of heat. I cannot swallow also. And the point suggested by our device was UB64.
It's
UB64.
There is empty heat.
And yes, sir. And yesterday I stopped the antibiotics completely. I stopped for past 1.5 days, and I just gave the sedation with UB64. And what I felt was completely, after I was taking 5 days, even then that heat or was not reduced in my throat. But from yesterday, after 10 minutes after giving that, immediately till now, I'm feeling very flexible, and there is no irritation at all. It is very excellently working. Matlab, I felt that the heat has been come down completely by this particular point.
Which point you given?
UB64.
Okay. So all are listening. Okay. So here it's very clear. So heat and cold, it is indicating empty heat. That empty heat is created throat infection. So throat is the one where maximum meridians will move. Liver, kidney, lungs, large intestine, and stomach. These are all meridians are crossing your throat. So out of which throat infection is detected through empty heat. If it is due to damp heat, it would have shown humidity heat or heat humidity. It is not shown that. It is shown heat cold. Okay. Yes, so sir. That excess empty heat is reduced with yang meridian. So urinary bladder with UB64. If you have any questions, you can ask Sir Gopal Krishna, sir.
No, sir. That's all. My question is that's all.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So this is a one real-time example we've seen. It's better to have some real-time experience. I'm teaching theory. If someone say this experience like this, it is indicating that, so yes, this is the pattern, this is the symptom, we treated this point and it's cured. Okay, so someone is asking the cost of the device and all those things. It is shared in the chat box. You can verify that. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, I took first I was having this headache. 2 weeks I was having. When you took color therapy, I applied this thing, violet color, because you told for making space, you apply violet color on right hand, small finger, below nail, right? Then after that, I applied there sky blue. Then my headache reduced. Then after that, I applied GB40 because it was all of sudden, no. So
Yes.
I applied GB40. Then also no result. Then I waited. Then I took this thing, Nadishwara. Then I asked you. Then you told you sedate this thing. 1 point you gave, but then also I didn't get. Then I took, you told to take me Nadiswara report, liver 2. Then also it is going. Then today, yesterday you told you sedate liver 3 because it was in. I did it in the morning because on the young time I did yin sedation, liver 3. Little bit it has reduced, but sometimes it occurs on the occipital headache. So I should wait or...
No, you just, what is the pattern of Nadiswara?
It's showing empty. As you told, fire is higher than water.
So if it is an empty heat, then you are getting headache. So in the headache, out of kidney, heart, liver, the liver meridian is reaching the head.
Achha.
You did liver 3 sedation, it is reduced maybe 20%.
Yes.
Wait for 3 days. After 3 days, you may reduce by 50%. So still 100%. If it is not reduced, same point, repeat once again.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Fine. So this is the way we go with the liver 3 or UB64 or artin deficiency. Over the period of time, liver insufficiency also happens. If there is a liver insufficiency, definitely there will be a heart insufficiency also. So that's what you can treat these things after cross-checking with the questions. Definitely, whether you treat kidney or liver or heart, so all are connected one-to-one. They are depending each other, and they will execute. And you will get results maybe depending upon your intensity of the energy variation. You may get results in 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 weeks or 1 or 2 months. But keep in the right track, go in the right path so that you can analyze and treat better.
Sir, can we take the Nadiswara readings in the evenings and nights also? And can we apply accordingly the red for pepper and blue for methi?
Yes, you can apply. And the only thing is, you please take care that while taking pulse, the stomach should be empty, patient should be relaxed.
And night times also can be taken and seed can be applied.
Yes.
Blue methi and red pepper. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So how many days it takes to deliver, take after Nadiswara registration? We will deliver the device within 1 week. So if it is abroad, so it may take depending upon the inquiry of the details about the courier charges and all. So in India now the cost is 34,000 and abroad 34,000 plus courier charges. Okay.
Sir, can I ask one question?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, my husband's, I took Nadiswara for my husband. Then the highest one is earth,
Earth.
yellow. The second one is fire.
Very
Third
good.
one, water.
Very good question, madam. Just on the line. So I will draw according to your statement. Okay. Your good name?
Fauzia.
Fauzia. Okay.
From Riyadh. I'm from Riyadh. And my one more question is there for me. When I took the first one came this one, fire. The second one is water.
Yeah.
Then
okay.
I got the point liver 2.
See, that's what I'm telling you. Many times you will get different points even if you take Nadiswara in the same moment. Because as I told, the same empty heat can be addressed with more than 10 different points. Okay. So depending upon the 5 element variations, we are going with it. So let's check with the Fauzia analysis. Your first highest is which one, madam?
My husband's first one is yellow.
Yellow. Okay, earth. The second one is?
Fire.
Fire. Third one is?
Third one.
Okay, let it be
Third
there.
one is water.
Water. So yesterday I told clear condition. The earth. So earth means it's a spleen. Then fire. Then water. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
And wood
So this
and
is indicating very clear. So as yesterday I told you in the 5 elements, wind and humidity, these are all high amplitude signals, which is belongs to the yang. Okay. Cold and dry, which is the low pulse rate and the low amplitude signals, which is related to yin energy. Okay. So now, if it is a earth, so definitely it is indicating that there's a yang energy will be more. Okay. So if the yang energy is more,
here the earth is the meridian, and the second one fire is the fire
so
is the
you can
energy.
take earth is a meridian. Okay. And fire is a energy. Listen carefully. So these earth and fire may interchange. Fire become meridian, earth become energy. There is a chances are there. I'm not telling always. So let's have some symptoms and we can correlate. For example, if the patient is having more disorders which is related to digestion system, then we'll consider earth as a meridian and fire is a energy. If the patient is complaining more related to chest, heart and blood, then we correlate it to the fire is a meridian. So what may be the general symptoms of this pattern of the patient?
He has stomach heat. He's always complaining about his stomach heat and all.
He's having more stomach heat. Okay. So because patient is complaining more about stomach heat, no doubt that your earth is a meridian. Are you agreeing this, Fauzia?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So earth is a meridian, and because a patient is feeling more of heat in the stomach, means definitely fire will be the energy. sorry, so I have to draw now. So Fauzia, is it clear for you?
Yeah, now it is okay. Then
So,
what about that? Then how will decide the food related to that one? It is kapha, pitta, vata, 3 are given there.
so here, because humidity, heat is primary, so you give the food which is in energy food, like a lot of fruits, vegetables, and buttermilk and tender coconut. So cold related food you give, it's better. Okay. So here, actually it is a empty heat or true heat. Someone has to tell. True heat or empty heat? It's a true heat. Why? Because along with fire, there is a humidity. Okay. So there is a chances the same patient, they may primary element will be a fire and secondary element will be a earth. So due to excess of fire in the digestion system, there is a chances of depleting the heart blood. So it is a pattern, we call it as a fire is means it's a heart meridian is a meridian and earth is indicating the, so heart is supplied with blood, that is a nourishment. So earth we consider as a nourishment. So then it will be heart blood deficiency, or if you treat a spleen and stomach damp heat also, it is a same result you will get.
But sir, when this graph of kapha, pitta, vata, no, that kapha is more. Then
yeah, because is the third element. Yeah,
in the chart it is given food which create kapha.
Then so that is what it's is not only having a pitta, is a prakriti is right now is having a two combination, pitta kapha prakriti, because water element is also there. It's a third highest, no?
Yeah.
So that's what. So don't give too much damp food like that milk and too much of mutton. So which is having more hard to digest. Okay. A normal, easy digestible food is suitable for him.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So you may have fire cold. This case is fire. Yeah.
Mine is fire, highest one. And second one is water.
Yeah, that is, it's empty. Your case is empty heat. So your husband case is acute. So it is related to yang excess. Okay. Your case is indeficiency.
Okay.
Okay. So you treat based on the Nadiswara input. Okay. For you, you take more of the in-related food. Sorry, you have to take the food which is nourishing your in energy.
But sir, my tongue is looks like pale only. Full.
That's what you got. Nadiswara liver 2 point you got, no?
Yeah.
So it is considering the water element also. Okay. So go with liver 2. Definitely your tongue become bright and red within 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So when two elements are same, okay, here if you think even earth also looks same. Okay, that time I told no, just decide the patient is having heat related, heart related issues or digestion related issues. Based upon that you can treat. Okay, even both are same or high or low, both are can interchange. Okay, Satish, you can talk. Anu Satish.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So for my daughter, sir, she has that hair element is more, sir.
In Nadiswara?
Yes, sir. In Nadiswara.
I will draw just a minute.
Yes, sir.
If air is more, what is the second element?
So the second element is earth, sir.
Earth. Okay, it's very clear. Okay. So air and earth. So you have to decide now which will be the meridian and which will be the
Energy level.
Energy. So whether she's having any related respiratory related issues?
Yes, sir. She's getting often cold and cough.
Okay, then it is straight away you can go with the lung dampness is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just go with the point suggested by the Nadiswara. She will be fine within 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes,
here it is indicating air means the first highest is the lung meridian.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lung is also related to chi. So the chi energy it is developing in the lung only. So there, she may have some maybe chi deficiency symptoms like she feels tired.
Very often, sir.
Very often, if it is feeling tired means, so definitely there is a lung chi is deficient.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
and along with that, earth is also there. Earth is the one which is indicating a damp and phlegm.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is what the primary is. If for anybody, if air is rising up means definitely there is chi's problem. Chi may be stagnated or chi may be a deficient. Okay. Whatever may be the combination along with air, it may be kidney, water, it may be a fire, it may be a earth. Air is indicating the chi energy. If the along with earth is there, definitely a spleen chi also deficient. That is making lung chi is deficient.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just give the points suggested by Nadiswara and share your experience in the group.
Yes, sir. So any kind of food, what I can give her, sir?
It's very simple. There is a lung dampness, means in energy is more in the lungs.
Yes,
okay, give some warm food.
Okay, sir.
Okay, she'll be fine and recover fast.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So after how many days we can recheck the Nadiswara? It depends upon the patient. If the patient suffering a lot, you can check after 3-4 days. If the patient is comfortable, you can check after 1 week or 10 days or even 15 days once. It depends upon the patient illness. So all of you understood the case which we discussed with Anu Satish. So our daughter primary element is air and secondary element is earth. And she's feeling a lot of cold, cough and lung congestion and as well as tired and weak, which is indicating lung chi deficiency and there's a dampness in the lungs. Okay. I hope Nadiswara is suggested SP9 sedation point. So with that point, our spleen chi deficiency also clears and even lung chi deficiency also will be fine. Thank you, madam, for sharing your experience and pulse with us. It is helping us to explain better. Okay, thank you. If anybody want to share your patterns, I will explain. So all of you, is it clear for true heat and empty heat? Yes, Bulbul Swine, you can share, you can have. Yeah.
Sir, first highest is water and second highest is air.
Very good. First highest is water and second highest is air. Now tell me, text in the chat box, what may be the issue? What is the symptom, madam?
Knee pain. Major symptom is knee pain and low appetite and thought is repeated thoughts.
That's it. So here, so water and air. So water means kidney. Okay. Air means chi, means kidney chi deficient.
Yes, sir.
So that's what she's getting knee pain due to kidney chi deficiency. Chi means yang. So kidney yang is less. Okay. So just go with the Nadiswara point. You can see the change.
First I put ST42 sedation. Within 1 day, her pain is gone for 2 days. Then after 2 days, it is more pain, she said. And then I go by K7, that according to Nadishwara.
K7 is the right point. It is raising the chi energy and as well as strengthening the knees.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
very important. If the fire comes, you always think about empty heat. 1 minute, I will write empty heat or indeficiency or true heat. Okay. Next, when coldness comes, you should think of yang deficiency. Okay. And lung coldness and spleen coldness, kidney and heart. Okay. So it is related to yang deficiency symptoms. Whenever there is a dryness or air element, second or primary, you just think of a chi deficiency and also think of lung related issues. So whenever there is a humidity, means which element? It's the earth element. So you should think of dampness, and sometimes it is a yang deficiency also. And sometimes it is related with the true heat also. So it is related to true heat only when it is with fire. So then what is the next? Last element is wind. I'll answer all your questions. I will write after this. Wind, or you can say Akash, or wood. So this will be, it's related to blood deficiency. Or which is related to essence deficiency. And which is also related to wind heat. So all of you just note down these points. It will be helpful for your diagnosis. So whenever you get a fire element, think of it may be a true heat or false heat. Whenever there is a coldness, there is a chances of yang deficiency. Whenever there is a dryness or air element, it is a chances of chi deficiency or lung deficiency. When there is a humidity, there is a chances of dampness, yang deficiency or true heat. True heat happens only with when it is with fire. When there is a wind, there is a chances of blood and essence deficiency or wind heat. Yes, you can talk now.
Sir, another person have highest water, second highest fire.
First highest is water and second highest is fire. Means it's a kidney heat, kidney indeficiency.
Yes, sir.
Definitely is having kidney indeficiency. What is the symptom? Tell me.
Diabetic.
Diabetes is definitely is a diabetic. Definitely is diabetes symptoms will is related to indeficiency symptoms like maybe weight loss, excessive hunger, and stress, all those things.
So she has weight gain 108 and excess thirst and excess urination.
Excess thirst itself is a heat, no? It's a false heat is generated that. Okay. Yes, so treat kidney indeficiency and liver indeficiency. You can see the great results.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
You, sir.
Yes, Rakshit. Shrikant Bandi.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yeah, so I just took the Nadishwar report. I just wanted to tell you. Yeah. My first highest was water.
First second highest is water.
Water.
Okay. Second highest?
Thing, earth. Third, with a little difference, is air.
See, it's very different. Many of you suffering with digestive disorders, bloating, and liver and kidney deficiency. Okay, all those people having this pattern, listen carefully. All of you. So water, earth. Am I right? Bandi? Shrikant? Am I right? I written correctly? Fine, super. What is this pattern? Okay. Many of us, we are getting this. This is also one of the chronic pattern. So this primary, what is the primary element here? Water. Which meridian? Kidney meridian. What is the energy? Tell me fast. Its energy is earth, means humidity. So it may humidity related to damp yang deficiency. I told very clearly. It is a kidney yang deficiency. Is it correct? Sometimes there is a chances of getting the pulse with humidity high also. If the humidity is little high, water it may be kidney and humidity. There is a interchange or exchange. It happens. So it is called spleen is highest and spleen yang deficiency. It is also called a spleen dampness. Am I right? It showed SP9, very right point, because kidney yang deficiency happens due to spleen yang deficiency. Spleen yang deficiency happens due to kidney yang deficiency. They are interdependent. Your digestive fire is depending on kidney fire. Your kidney yang energy depending upon the spleen yang energy. So that's what you may get water earth or earth water. So overall getting this pattern, there is a chances of getting third element is a, what is the third element? Rakshit, Bandi. That's what I told. If first is water, second is earth, it is a kidney yang deficiency. If the first is earth, second is water, it is a spleen yang deficiency. If it is the air is there, what is air related to? It is kidney chi deficiency. Chi means what? Again, yang only, no? Kidney yang deficiency happened due to kidney chi deficiency only. Don't get confused. If you have any confusion, you can ask your doubts right now. all symptoms, pakka, I am telling you, it is related to yang deficiency, low symptoms. Yes, Bandi, can you unmute and speak? Because what research we are doing, okay, it should be authenticated by user only, not somebody. So previously, Anu Satish told dry humidity. Yes, there is a lung qi deficiency and lung phlegm issues are there. That's true. Before that, somebody told heat and humidity, humidity and heat. So Fauzia from Riyadh, she told stomach heat is more. It is matching. So like that, 90% of the times, okay, your pattern won't miss out. There is some way it miss out because of your wrong way of taking pulse, or sometimes our device may detect something hidden issues. Okay, there is a chances, but most of the time you fall into these patterns only. So this is definitely yang deficiency symptoms. So Bandi, you can unmute and talk of the symptoms. You raise your hand, I will unmute. Yes, now.
Yes, sir. The symptoms are like there is slight hair fall, and
Okay.
second thing is little irritated, and
Okay.
yeah, stomach there is some difficulty like digestion. Having some kind of issues.
Definitely,
Not
your
eating.
digestion will be slow because you don't have enough yang energy.
Okay.
Okay. Just follow the point which is suggested by Nadiswara right now.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
Don't worry. Initially, your air fall will increase little bit. Don't bother about it.
Okay.
Okay. But once your digestion is correct, all your airs will get the nourishment. Now your all air fall is happening not due to heat.
Okay.
Air fall is happening your food deficiency. Due to yang deficiency, your food is not converting into essence.
Okay.
Due to that lack of nourishment, your airs are falling.
Oh.
Many cases we see, 90% of the cases we see, air fall happens due to heat.
Yeah, I felt
there
that.
Is a chance air fall also happens with essence deficiency, yang deficiency.
Okay.
Okay. You need nourishment to the airs. That nourishment has to come from your digestion system.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Which point is suggested by Nadiswara now?
SP9. Spleen only.
Do SP9 now.
Okay.
Don't do anything else for another 1 week or 15 days. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Your spleen is weak. Spleen and kidney yang deficiency is there. Don't give any food which makes you cold. Don't eat fruits.
Oh, okay.
Don't eat sugar, sweets.
Okay.
Even jaggery also don't touch.
Okay.
Don't take raw vegetables.
Yeah.
You may laugh at me. Doctors are telling fruits and raw vegetables are good for health. You are telling don't eat.
I had all these things you told, jaggery, sweet and fruits today.
Because all these food, it weakens your spleen.
Okay.
When spleen yang deficiency. Once you clear spleen yang deficiency, then give all these food, your spleen will be happy.
Okay.
Okay. So just go with this. Okay. After 15 days, you just give me the feedback.
Sure, sir. Definitely. Thank you so much.
But along, many people are not getting proper result. I'm telling you why. Bandi, listen carefully, all of you, around 170 people. If this pattern, today you are giving SP9 sedation, tomorrow morning you're taking tea, coffee, sweets, dairy products, milk, buttermilk, fruits, your point effect will go off. You should aware why you are treating what you are treating. You are treating spleen and kidney yang deficiency. You should not give cold food, damp food. That you should aware. Okay. So many people who is having Nadiswara, it's difficult to analyze. Please join the course. It is not for my sake. It's just to learn. Because few thousand what you gave, we may spend in 1 or 2 weeks somewhere else. But the what essence you are learning and applying, definitely it is a lifelong skill. And you can teach somebody also. Okay. I'm not making copyright. You teach thousands of people. I'm very happy. Thank you very much, Bandi.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Krishnashree.
Yeah, sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, see, I got the device very recently. Okay. And my daughter's case, which I had been dealing with for past couple of weeks, her problem is lot of phlegm. We get scared actually. So after I got Nadiswara, I saw the first one is earth, that is a very high. The second and third are very close to each other, but air is a little bit more than the third one, that is fire.
Okay, air is also there.
Air is the second one, and then third is fire. Both air and fire are very close to each other.
Leave it. Okay. It's very clearly telling. Okay. The third one is fire, no? Okay. Okay. She may have some damp heat in the body.
Yeah, she easily this one gets these heat boils, no, on the skin.
Heat boils.
Yeah.
Means she's getting heat boils. It is a yang. She's getting phlegm, which is in.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what earth you have to take both the side.
Okay.
Spleen and air, it is making you spleen chi deficiency. Okay.
Okay.
When spleen chi is deficient, your spleen is unable to digest your food. The undigested food converts into phlegm.
Okay. Actually, she has less hunger also.
That's what I'm telling you. No need to treat her phlegm and lungs.
Okay. Okay.
Just treat spleen.
Spleen chi deficiency.
That's it. All the problems will be solved.
I had been giving, before getting this, I had been giving Spinine.
Okay. So that may chances of increasing the fire.
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Carefully you give. So
yeah.
Which is highest and which is lowest. And
yeah, the device is suggesting ST36.
Yeah, go with that. It's a great point to improve the stomach.
I will do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
SP36, great. Why you know? It is reducing damp heat. It is also increasing the spleen. Okay.
Okay. Great.
I think it is a wise point given by Nadiswara.
Yes, sir.
Thank
you, sir. Yeah.
Yes, Dharmesh Patel.
Yeah, sir. I had sent you one report, sir, where one sec, it was, I mean, you have both the elements almost, means it's equal. With
which
only,
are the two elements?
It was 1 second, sir. I just, the first one is water. And the second one is, 1 sec. Second one is fire. And
water, fire. And third will be air.
Yeah. But fire and air, you have only 0.5% difference, almost 75%.
There is a water and fire is there. There is a kidney heat that will dominate all other pattern.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So it came, LI11 came for that.
Yeah, it's a wonderful point to treat kidney insufficiency.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Padma. You can unmute. Padma Moharir. I think she's not there. Yes, Rukmini.
Sir, male 45 years and Nadiswara, the first highest point is water. And fire, air, and earth, all three are same level, sir.
Means that patient, very good question, madam. Okay, you are telling very clearly it is water and fire, kidney insufficiency, water and humidity, kidney yang deficiency. Now all are equal means definitely that patient is having kidney yin and yang deficiency.
Both.
Yeah, there is a chances. Not there is a lot of chances, many people having kidney yin and yang deficiency.
Okay, so the symptoms are he has recently developed varicose veins.
Okay.
Sir, from long time he has gastritis, obesity, lethargy, and recently sleep disorder also.
50% what you told is related to yin.
He has psoriasis.
Yeah, I'm telling now. 50% is related to yin and 50% related to yang symptoms.
Okay.
Gastritis is a excess yang. Okay, bloating and weight gain is a yang deficiency. Okay. Treat both kidney yin and yang deficiency, she'll be fine.
Okay, and point given by Nadiswara is UB54 sedation.
UB64, I think.
54, UB.
64, madam.
Sorry, yeah, UB64.
Definitely, it is giving a lot of yin energy to the body. So she feels gastric will be better and she sleeps better within 2-3 days. Pakka.
Okay, and food, what should be given, sir?
She needs food actually. Let her eat. Don't eat processed food. That's it.
Okay, anything he can take?
Yeah, let her enjoy. Only avoid processed food. So in chat box, Nagendra telling the first is earth, second is water. Definitely it is a spleen yang deficiency. That is why stomach bloating and gas formation is there. SP9 or K5 sedation, both will work wonderfully. All the best, Nagendra. But carefully, you are giving a point, but strictly you should follow the food, which I told to Bandi Shrikant. Don't eat dairy, sweets, fruits, and any cold items. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Rahul. Your voice is breaking, sir. No voice.
Are you getting, sir?
Yes, tell me
Hello.
now. Yes.
Sir, myself Jagdev Singh from Jammu, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Fine.
Super. Tell me, sir.
I get the Nadiswara, but my mother is suffering from a sweat during the morning periods, 5 to 7 a.m. He has a lot of sweat of the chest area.
Okay. What is the Nadiswara report?
Sir, I think I forget that report. I think I forget that report, sir.
Don't worry. Your symptom is telling heart deficiency. Okay. Empty heat in the heart. Okay.
Yes,
you
sir.
Just do SI4 sedation. She'll be fine.
SI4 sedation.
Yes, I4.
Okay, sir. Actually, during morning time only 5 to 7 o'clock.
Don't worry, she'll be fine. Okay, after taking Nadiswara report, you text me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Nagendra, you can talk once. Nagendra. So you are feeling that bloating.
Hello.
Yeah, Nagendra, tell me.
Yes, sir. Too much of bloating and too much of gas formation in the stomach, sir.
So that is telling you your spleen and stomach chi is very less.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. When digestion itself is very low energy, don't trouble them by giving hard and cold food.
Okay.
Okay. Follow the food pattern along with Nadiswara, definitely. So, of course, it is it takes little time, but definitely you'll get a very good solution than any medicine.
Yes, sir. Because I am very attracted to sweets and I'll eat more sweets. That's why
you are taking sweets and also taking Nadiswara. You are expecting results.
Yes, yes. Now I come to know. I'll just follow it, sir. Thank you.
You follow it. After 2-3 weeks, you give me the feedback.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, Rajan.
Sir, as per Nadiswara, my fire is first, second is water, third is earth.
Okay, definitely there will be water is more than earth, no?
Water is more than earth.
And definitely it's a empty heat, indeficiency, sir.
Okay.
So you can treat the, as I told, indeficiency may happen heart, liver and kidney. Sometimes it also happens in the spleen also. So based on the Nadiswara pulse, you can go with, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
I think I am having diabetic.
Yeah, diabetes is one of the main case of liver and kidney indeficiency. Do you have excess of thirst and excess of hunger? Weight loss?
Excess of hunger.
Yeah, excess of hunger is there due to liver and kidney insufficiency. That hunger is created with empty heat. Okay. Just treat with Nadiswara points. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
I have report in Nadiswara. My patient have sciatica pain.
Okay.
Is a first in air, and second is fire, third is water.
So air, fire,
Yes,
water.
sir.
Okay. It's
Yes, sir.
a lung indeficiency. Lung heat is there.
Yes.
So lung heat is also making kidney heat. Okay.
Yeah.
Sedate that with LA11 sedation.
Nadiswara says LU9.
LU9
But
tonification also wonderful point.
yes, yes.
Okay.
LI11, another point.
LI11 and LU9. So you have to do one by one.
Okay. I applied in LU9, but इतना कोई डिफरेंस नहीं, मतलब पेन में इतना कुछ नहीं है. रात को सोने, मतलब रात को जब भी आधी रात को उठते हैं वॉशरूम के लिए, तो उसमें उन्हें पेन ज्यादा होता है. sciatica पेन, मतलब हिप नी area के
when you are treating
center pain.
in meridian, it takes little time. If you want urgent results, it treat young LI11 sedation.
Okay.
Okay.
And is it having acidity and burps and
everything will clear, madam. Just follow the Nadiswara. It is clearly telling there is a heat in the lungs. Okay.
Okay.
That
Okay,
heat only
okay,
lung.
thank you, sir.
What it will do? Whatever you give to lungs, it is pushing downward.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is why creating sciatica.
Okay.
Okay. All the best.
And as heavy weight also.
Yeah, one by one you treat, madam. Don't make urgency. Take report once in a week or once in 10 days. Slowly you treat. If you can make urgency, but body won't make any urgency in healing. How much raw material, how much balance energy it will heal. You can make urgency of healing by giving daily points, but it has its own phase of healing, no?
Last 15 days I applied it. उसके बाद मैंने कोई point नहीं लगाया है.
No, if you are not getting results, you can apply within after 3-4 days only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Georgius, you can talk.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, please put the kidney yang deficiency and spleen cause ascites, that is water in the womb, in the stomach.
Yes.
That
is what I explained here. When there is a water and earth is more, okay, it is making yang deficiency.
Okay.
It may be a kidney yang deficiency or spleen yang deficiency. Finally, that makes you a very low metabolism.
Yes.
Okay. That weakens your hormones and your metabolic rate. So that may leads to liver and kidney disorders, and as well as it also make chances of thyroid imbalance.
Okay.
And it is chances of gaining cholesterol and obesity.
Okay.
And there is a chances of food swelling with pitting edema.
Yes, food swell and edema too. Yes.
All this is related to a pattern. In Nadiswara, you will get water, earth, and air.
Okay.
Okay. So you can just follow the Nadiswara points. You will get very good results. Okay.
I don't have the Nadiswara. I don't have the machine yet.
We will send to Nigeria. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
So for now, I can use spleen 9.
Yeah, you can give his SP9 sedation. and don't give dairy, sweets, fruits, raw vegetables.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And do more traveling and walking. That increases kidney heat.
Okay. Okay.
Just take a bike, ride 50 kilometers, take a car, ride 100 kilometers. That makes kidney heat, reduces kidney yang.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Super.
Thank you. Thank you. Very much.
So many of you are asking a device. Day and night we are working for the device to give best through Nadiswara. We are also taking a lot of classes like this to make you aware how to use Nadiswara. So it will continue. Okay. Overall taking Nadiswara, overall investing for the Nadiswara. I am damn sure nowhere you are going to lose money from it. Straight away for the report and for the explanatory, you can charge 500 or 1000 rupees to the patient. We are not doing any mistake, because many people, they are doing for MRI scanning, ultrasound scanning, blood reports. Nowhere it is healing the patient. Nowhere those reports are helping the diagnosis. Still they are charging 8,000, 10,000, 5,000 like that. Why can't you charge by giving Nadiswara report 500 or 1000 rupees? Okay. If you are using for a family, so if you avoid at least 4 to 5 consultation with the doctor, your Nadiswara money is returned. Because with 5 to 6 consultation, you will spend minimum 15,000-20,000 with the doctors, with the medicines, consultation fee, diagnosis charges. But all those medicines, diagnosis charges only for relief. But here through Nadiswara, we are trying for the cure. If you want to use Nadiswara effectively, please attend the classes. Don't miss Nadiswara classes anytime. Because these classes, you will get 1 or 2 input in every class. That will help you to use better. Okay. So you can take Nadiswara in the frequency of weekly once or weekly twice or 2 weeks once, depending upon the patient's symptoms. Something given after 4 days, no changes, you can take the report. Some point you given after 3-4 days, there is an improvement, wait for 1 week. There is an improvement, wait 1 more week. Okay. So frequency of healing and frequency of giving, it completely depends on the patient. Is it clear? So thank you for the patient listening. So if you have any, so all of you added with respective state group. If you are not added to any of the Nadiswara group, please text me your name and which state you belong. Okay, depending upon that, we created Nadiswara Maharashtra, Nadiswara Andhra, Nadiswara Telangana, Nadiswara Tamil Nadu, Nadiswara Kerala, like that. In North India, Nadiswara Delhi we created. For foreigners also we created one group. So we will have, we will put there, and if you have any queries and if you have any suggestions, we will take there. Okay. Thank you very much. So I'll come back soon. Okay. So if you are not added, just text me. I will add to the group. And please connected with Nadiswara, then only you can get very good results. Thank you very much. Thank you. So if you want to know how Nadiswara looks like and how you can use, I'll just show you about the device. Just a minute. Where is my Nadiswara? This is a Nadiswara instrument many people you are using. We given a caption with the sound of your health. It is a sound of your health, because we are acquiring the sound of the radial artery. Through that we are analyzing the health. And if you open it, so this is a sensor which contains microphone, which takes the sound of your radial artery, so that you can connect to your any of the Android mobile. So by connecting it, you have to switch on the OTG option, then connect it here. You can the light will switch on. Okay, then only you can say disconnected. So after that, you can log into the so you can log in into the Nadiswara, and you can create a patient list. So I took thousands of the pulses and you search the patient. I will search my name, Basava. So there is a Basava research I kept to do research on my body constitution, and you can take pulse. Be able to see my pulse pattern. Wait, I will give you. First, you have to check manually. So like that, you can see the, you need to take the pulse 20 seconds. Look at this. So this is the pattern of my pulse. You can check. So by scrolling this, how is your pulse? Okay. So after this, you can go either retake if the pulse is not proper, or you can go for analysis, which is shown in the red button. So after that, it will generate. Shall I show that today afternoon I took pulse? So this is my pattern. This is my pattern. I have damp heat in the digestion system, of course. So fine. I will take tomorrow afternoon, I will take buttermilk, some fruit juice to reduce digestive fire. And also I sleep better to rise the energy. Okay. So thank you. So we will see you soon. So we'll have few more classes on Nadiswara. If you want to attend the course, which is completely designed for including pulse, tongue, everything. So you can contact Joshi sir. He will register for the course. And if you want to purchase Nadiswara, you can text me in WhatsApp. And today someone, Sudha, is texted from Tamil Nadu. So we will deliver you device within 3 to 4 days. Thank you very much. So who don't have device, you can contact me. So I will deliver, okay, as early as possible. Thank you. Good night.